I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
So you guys just saw me get ready. I am going to be recording for the day. I'm going to record me probably cooking breakfast or showing you what my daughter cooks if she's the one that cooks. But I want to come on here and show you guys some more fragrances that I got from Dossier, and they sent over the lavender fragrance and the grapefruit and apple. Y'all can see apple is already like low. My daughter loves this one, and I'll put on the screen what each one of these is a reference to an expensive perfume, but I did go ahead and they let me pick out 3 more, and I picked these 3 out for the summertime. I am gonna go ahead and spray this one. This one do smell good. If you don't like florals smelling more, it's not like fresh, it's not like a masculine scent at all. These are summer fruity floral girly scents. These may not be for you. I love this. My daughter picked these out as well. So yeah, Dossier, high-end perfumes for a lower price. Y'all, I have 6 of these. I hope I collab with them again. The next ones I will get will be for fall, and then if I get to collab with them again, I'll do winter. So I'll have 12 perfumes, and this will last you all year. Like, if you buy like a bunch of them, it'll last. Or if you get one per season, because I do feel like you should find your signature scent for every day, but then your signature scent for every season. So yeah, I got these, and you guys, they smell so good. I'm just so excited for the summer, just to be smelling so good, just giving summer vibes. I'm about to be an empty nester, y'all, in 2 years. So I've been like outside, like trying to get myself prepared for when I'm home alone, because your girl will never have another kid again. So yeah, I got these. I will link them down below. Let me know if you guys try any and what's your fragrance for the summertime, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, we back. Okay, y'all, so I am going to be vlogging again. So what I plan on doing is really showing you guys the stuff I eat on an anti-inflammatory diet. You guys know I've been doing anti-inflammatory for a while, and I'm perfecting it like every day. I have got like some new vitamins in, so I'm going to show you guys those. I've been working with a brand called New Chapter on TikTok, and I love their stuff, but sometimes it's hard for me to get it, or it's out of my budget when I want to buy like a restock on my vitamins. So let me show you guys what I got. So I've been working with a lot of health brands lately, and I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited about that, and because I'm really on a lifestyle consistency. It's not a lifestyle change because my life has changed, but it's more of me being consistent, and this being just literally my life now. So I had the skin renewal as well that ran out. I'll be doing the empties, like healthy video soon. So I kept a lot of the stuff that I did have that is now empties that I will be repurchasing. And one of them is the skin renewal. They sent me these recently, the omega-3s, but y'all, this is and then I'm running out of my multivitamins for them, and it's like multi-family vitamin. Oh, I can show you, I still have. So this is it here. It's still a lot in this one. I had like 3 of them. Me and my daughter finished one bottle. We're on this bottle. This is the one really my daughter used. So right now, this is the one really my daughter takes, because I had one for women, a multivitamin for women that I just ran out of. But then I got these just to try, the Mary Ruth's multivitamin. These are like the shots. I didn't know that these were shots, but for me just to try them, I think these are fine. So I'm not sure if which one I'm gonna repurchase. But the one that's like changed my life is magnesium. These don't come with as many as another bottle I got from Amazon, but I used to be so tired. I still need to get a zinc vitamin, which help with iron, but magnesium, every woman over 30 needs to be taking magnesium. It's life changer. And then they also have one for, oh no. Wait, this is magnesium, the melatonin one. So I would take this one at night if I need to get like a good night's rest. But then this is magnesium with ashwagandha. Y'all know ashwagandha is that girl, but magnesium and ashwagandha together is insane. Like, I always show you guys the app that I use. So I'll put up the apps on the screen that I use. Let me see if I can do it on my phone and you guys can see. So these are like my health apps right here. I use all of those to like scan food, look up products and things of that nature. Y'all, I'm just trying to keep myself together, honestly. Like, I'm just trying to live the best life that I can from the inside out, literally. Because sometimes your outside world can be going in a disarray, but your inside is okay. Like, it's keeping you where you're all right, even though a lot of things are going on. And I'm not gonna lie, me taking my vitamins, me eating better, it's changed my life. And I am like, I know you don't supposed to push family, but I am pushing like, I bring it up a lot when I can on why we need to take a lot of stuff out of our diet. And I feel like for me at first it was the cost of things, but since I've been like doing it and slowly like replacing certain things, it was not like overnight. And some stuff I still eat due to I got a budget. So but it's way better. I'll be showing you guys like a grocery haul. I did show one before, but it's really old. I'll be showing like a grocery haul, me going to the grocery store, and a lot of that stuff in vlogs now. Me and my daughter do go out sometimes as well. We've been going out, doing like little things, visiting certain restaurants. That's when I'm not worried about eating anti-inflammatory. That's why I tell you guys I'm not like an anti-inflammatory nerd, because I do step out of it sometimes. But if it get too bad, girl, I ain't gonna lie. As soon as I eat something that's like awful, terrible, I can feel it. I can taste like when water is not good. I can taste when certain fruits are not. When you really hooked on trying to live a better life, you can just tell from a lot of that stuff. And also, I feel like because I'm eating so much better, I also have been dating, and I just don't know if I can date somebody who's like not on the like health train or trying to be. I just don't feel like I can, because, but a lot of people who I've talked to, it just hasn't worked out. They are like down. They are like down and open to it, so that's been really good as well. So yeah, I'm gonna start work in probably like 40 minutes. So I've been editing like my mom's videos, because I am an editor for my mom's channel and her social media. I'm an editor for another content creator as well, but he has just like basically quit. I don't think he's gonna quit forever, but he has recently quit, so I haven't been doing that, which is fine because I'm just focusing on me and my mom's channel. I do have some updates for you, like me being a mom and like really what this feeling is, because I'm gonna be an empty nester, like I told you guys, in 2 years, and I feel like I got some things to say, okay? But yeah, these are the things that I'm taking. I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. I'll be back to show you guys what we eat for breakfast. Most likely it's gonna be a sweet potato. I've been eating sweet potatoes down. You hear me? Down for the past like 2 years. But recently eating them a lot, with like making a lot of sweet potato bowls, and I've been buying a lot of uncured ground beef. I'll show you guys like how I pick my meats. I'm gonna be writing this stuff down, like what I want to show you guys and what I'm gonna be recording. I do want to get some more like appliances, like an ice cream maker. Even though I do know how to make the ice cream, my daughter actually made vanilla ice cream last night. But I want to get one for like sorbet, and so we can have different containers with different kind, and it's just easier to mix. So I'm gonna look for that, and then I need a juicer, a smoothie maker, and an ice machine. So I'm gonna be working on getting those 4 things. But hi, your girl is back. I don't know how consistent I'm gonna be, but your girl is back right now.
Well, I tried to tell you so, yes I did, but I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes, baby, now I got the flow, 'cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I'd win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied. Even though you know I died for you, you lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Come on. Oh my God.
So it's the end of the night and I'm gonna be getting ready to take off my makeup. I did go to Trader Joe's, but I didn't go in. My daughter went in. And yeah, I think I may record tomorrow. I can't believe today is Monday. It feels like it's Friday. But yeah, you guys can see my face is very oily, and today I didn't use anything but, oh, look at this crease. I didn't use anything but the Super Goop moisturizer tint. So today I'm going to be using the micellar water with vitamin C though. I'm so happy and excited about this. So I've used this before. I used the pink one, the blue one, but this is new and it has vitamin C from Garnier. No oil, fragrance, or alcohol. And then it comes with these pads. I actually used this already. Y'all can see how clean it is. And I'm going to use this to take off my makeup today.
What you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, game it. They can't stain it, they want something new. So let's get